Hello, my name is Benjamin Hare, and I'm going to show you how to encrypt files with a GNU public key. It's basically, you've probably heard of PGP. GNU PG is the open source implementation of PGP because PGP went proprietary. Anyway, here's how we do it. Basically, I'm in a situation where I've got to transfer some files to a friend of mine, but I need to make sure that they're safe in transit, and he's the only one that can open it. So, here's what I do. I need to go to gpg4win.org, and once I'm there, I can download the gpg4win 2.1.0 program. I've already downloaded it here. Here's the previous version I was using. The new version is a new version of Cleopatra, which is the key mangler, and it works really well. Anyway, I've got that downloaded. You'll need to go download it. Once you download it, we're going to go ahead and run it. And basically, when it's all said and done, what we want to be able to do is I want to be able to find the file that I want to encrypt. I want to be able to right-click on it and just encrypt it here. Now, I've already got a PGP key myself, but I'm going to show you how to generate one. So let's first go install the file. There we are. Now, I'm running as a limited user, so when I try to install it, it's going to give me a warning that to complete it, you need administrative permissions. So, fair warning there. So I'm going to go ahead and elevate this. Go through the whole install. The only thing I don't take that I change from the default is this guy here, the gpg4win compendium, which is really nice. It's basically, it's this file here. It's a document that walks you through the entire background, what PGP is, what encryption is, how private keys work. It's worth it. Anyway, no need to install it here. The default path is going to be under Program Files. By default, it puts a program group in the Start menu. And then you just sit back and let it do its thing. Once the install is completed, you're all done. Click Next. Now, this is telling you that there's going to be a problem identifying root certificates. Luckily, in most cases, you're going to be able to ignore this. You can't click the Next button unless you've checked that. So check that box, click Next. Don't reboot. Well, I didn't find any need to when I did it. You might have to. Now that we've gone ahead and installed that, you should have a whole bunch of options on your right-click, your context menu. Now the cool thing is I am running on my version of XP. I don't have the Explorer shell loaded, and these extensions still work, which is one of the reasons why I've stuck with GPG. Okay, first thing that we need to do, basically that gets us installed. So now that we've got gpg4win installed, we can move on to generating keys and encrypting files. So I'm going to go ahead and end this video, and I'll create another one. I'll start another one that talks about creating the keys and encrypting the files. But basically, we've seen how to install the program, so we can move forward there. Thanks for your time.